Start.
Today I'm going to tell you about my new microphone, condenser microphone SF-666. This is the best mic which I have ever used. So when you purchase this mic, this is very cheap, very inexpensive, and this is the packing. You should see, like, when you will order this mic, you will get this mic in this packing, and the mic contains three parts. Let me explain you one by one. One part is the mic, which contain a long cable which will help you a lot. And with this you will get this stand, and when you unpack your mic, you will get this stand in this form, and just expand it like this, and just place in your table, and place this mic like this, and your mic is ready. But let me tell you the third part of this mic, which is about the connector. You will not be able to record your voice without the connector, and I get that connector with this mic, but right now I cannot show you about the connector, because I am recording my voice using this mic, and I am using the connector right now. I can show you the screenshot for connector, so please come here for screenshot. If you cannot get, if you did not get the connector, you can purchase the connector from here. Please come camera here, and just so that we can, this is basically a connector. So when you get this mic, you will place red connector with the red part of this connector. So that is about my condenser microphone SF-666. uh, Hope you will like this video about this mic. I will strongly recommend you to purchase this mic for your YouTube video recording. Assalamu